guys, what's up? It's me again, Jireh, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you can see, today's video, I'm gonna do a full face drugstore makeup tutorial. And I will also put at the description. And I will also put at the description box below the products and makeups that I will be using in this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's start! First, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Liquid Foundation. I bought it from a department store with the shade of 128 Warm Nude Beige Jade. Second, I will be using my BYS Concealer Duo with the shade of number 3 Natural Beige. Next, I will be using Bilena Advanced Eyebrow Kit for my contour. I'm gonna use this lighter shade. I'm gonna use my Bilena Matte Foundation Two-Way Cake in the shade of Matte White Ivory. And for my eyebrows, I will also use this Bilena Advanced Eyebrow Kit. I'm gonna put this chocolate shade here. Then I will be using the liquid concealer of BYS Concealer Duo to highlight my eyebrows. Next, for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this Nichido makeup palette. Guys, I already put my false eyelashes. Next, I will be using my Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. For my blush, I will be using my LOL Duo Blush in the shade of number 2 Cheddar Rose. I will just mix these two shades. For my lips, I will be using my all-time favorite Bilena Advanced Lip and Cheek Stain. And that's it, guys. I hope this video gives you some makeup ideas that you can wear on some parties or in any events. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have a comment about this video or any suggestions for our next tutorial, you can leave it there under the comment box. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep you updated from incoming vlogs and makeup tutorials. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!